Hello friends, welcome to my innovative, creative, unique, popular educational channel to watch more interesting and informative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen lot of videos on face detection, face recognition, using OpenCV, using tkinter library, using Streamlit, using MTCNN and many more. Also we have seen face recognition using SVM, our latest studio. But one thing you might have noticed in my all videos on face recognition, face detection and many and attendance system also, I have done few videos on face recognition using video. I have done face recognition using live face, I have done face recognition using image, but few videos I have been done using face recognition using video. So today's video is all about that only, face recognition from the video. First of all, we will go through the initial state of the program. Here we can see face data, nothing, then models which I am using, and video. This is my video file, you can see. This is my video file and this is the code. So face recognition from the video. I have shown you video just now. This is the name of the MP4 file and here is the path of the MP4 video. Now I will execute the program. So it will create training images of the image of video file. Yes, we can see now. Yes, folder has been created and these are the images. Yes, fine. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with face recognition from the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, Streamlit and many videos. I am trying to expose more videos on MTCNN and if possible SVM and many more videos on SQLite, MySQL, Postgres with machine learning and so keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.